Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is square root of 1 plus cube root of 2 plus square root of x plus cube root of 4 over square root of 1 plus cube root of 2 to power of 3 is equal to 1, and to find the value of x. In the first step, we use cross multiplication in here, so in here we have 1, and this is 1 over 1, right? So we multiply this times this, and this 1 times this. So it will be 1 times this, it will be square root of 1 plus cube root of 2 and plus square root of x plus cube root of 4 is equal to square root of 1 plus cube root of 2 to power of 3. And in next step, we let square root of 1 plus cube root of 2 as a. So in here, if we square both sides of this equation, it will be this to the power of 2 and this to the power of 2. And it will be 1 plus cube root of 2 is equal to a square, right? And in here, we take this one to this side, and it will be cube root of 2 is equal to a square minus 1. And in here, if we square both sides of the equation, it will be this to the power of 2 and this to the power of 2. So we write cube root of 2 to the power of 2, it will be cube root of 4, right? Is equal to this to the power of 2, a square minus 1 to the power of 2. So in here, we have 3 equations, and we substitute in this equation and we write this, it will be, this is a, right? So we write a plus square root of, in here we have x plus cube root of 4, and cube root of 4 from here is a square minus 1 to power of 2. So we write x plus cube root of 4 as a square minus 1 to power of 2. And in here is equal to, in here we have, this is a, right? This is a and to power of 3. So we write a cube. So we write our equation. And in next step, we take this a to this side, and it will be square root of x plus a square minus 1 to power of 2 is equal to a cube minus a, right? A cube minus a. And here we factor a, and it will be a square minus 1, right? And in next step, we square both sides of the equation, so this to power of 2, and also this to power of 2, right? So it will be this to power of 2, this square root will cancel, and it will be x plus a square minus 1 to power of 2 is equal to this to power of 2, it will be a to power of 2 times a square minus 1 to power of 2, a square minus 1 to power of 2. And in next step, we take this to this side, and it will be x is equal to, in here we have a square times a square minus 1 to power of 2, and minus this, a square minus 1 to power of 2. And it will be x is equal to, a square minus 1 to power of 2 is common, so we factor a square minus 1 to power of 2. And from this part, we have a square, and from this part, we have negative 1. So, a square minus 1 to power of 2 times a square minus 1 to power of 1, right, this is power of 1, is equal to, the base are equal, so we can write a square minus 1 and add these powers, and it will be to power of 3. So, x is equal to a square minus 1 to power of 3. And from here, a square minus 1 is equal to cube root of 2. So we substitute in here this as cube root of 2. And to power of 3, this 3 will cancel this cube root and it will be 2. So this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.